Okay, these rear panels that go in here on a Ferrari F430. I'm gonna make a separate video just for these freaking clips because it took me forever to figure out how to get one in. Here they are. There's the part number up there in case you need to buy them. They're not that expensive, but holy cow, what a pain in the balls to get on here. After 15 minutes of experimenting, I got one of them in. So I'll tell you what I did. I pried up one corner, used a 7mm socket, pushed it really tight down on this guy, and then I could turn it clockwise, righty-tighty, and it kept popping out. I just kept pushing down really, really hard. Finally got it to go in. So one of my subscribers recommended adding heat to this to help screw it in. So we got a heat gun. I'm gonna heat up the end and see if that helps. All right, while it seems like heat should have helped, it really didn't. It was mostly just the 7mm and pushing down really hard. I guess I'm just getting used to it now. Latest method, just push it all the way into the 7mm to start with. Then it makes it easier to apply heat if you want to try that. Yeah, this one had no heat. Just push that first corner down, turn clockwise, and you'll get them in there. And then I'm going to stick it under there like that. And I probably can't do this while filming. I'm gonna take this, press it all the way down on here and start tightening it. Okay, you can see it's starting to work. And anything bigger than a 7mm slips off. You can see that sometimes that edge just pops out. And I just gotta keep pushing down really hard, turning until finally it pops in like that. Hallelujah. Please give the video a thumbs up if this helped. If you're searching for how to do this, it definitely helped. So thanks, guys.